Welcome to City Center 4, Western Community College's newest campus designed for learning, innovation, and community. Spanning 4 floors in Surrey's Health and Technology District, City Center 4 is a hub for advanced education, state-of-the-art labs, and student support. Level 4 is fully dedicated to modern classrooms, bright, spacious, and designed to inspire learning and collaboration. This floor also includes a student lounge and relax area, giving you the perfect space to connect and recharge before classes. Level 9 is entirely dedicated to labs, giving students immersive, hands-on training in real-world environments. Let me take you to one of our healthcare assistant labs. Our healthcare lab prepares students for frontline care with realistic practice spaces that build both confidence and compassion. In the medical laboratory assistant lab, students practice essential diagnostic skills with professional-grade tools. Welcome to RMT. Our registered massage therapy lab features a dedicated RMT clinic where students gain supervised experience while serving the community. Beyond these, CC4 is home to specialized spaces for programs like dental assistant, pharmacy technician, hospitality management, and much more. Designed to give students cutting-edge practical training. Level 10 again brings a blend of classrooms, labs, student study spaces. On floor 11 is where you'll find all student services, registrar office, admission advisors, employment career services team, IT support, and more. At CC4, every level has been built with your future in mind. So, I'll see you soon.